intelligent driving control system and a variety of auxiliary functions. It brings a new travel experience. Indulge in control and show the charm of style. Pentium T77, with the golden powertrain, takes into account high power and economy, and realizes free riding in all road conditions. The front double airbags, the front seat side airbags, and the side double-sided air curtains effectively protect the drivers and passengers, and carefully guard every trip. Equipped with Bosch ESP 9.3 generation system, it realizes forward collision warning, road deviation warning, intelligent high beam control and other functions. Intelligent high beam. When encountering situations such as meeting cars, following cars or street lighting, it will automatically complete the intelligent switching of far and near lights. Recognizes the lane line of the road ahead, and detects the lateral position of the vehicle in the current lane in real time. When an unconscious lane departure of the vehicle is detected in the current lane, visual and acoustic warnings are provided to the driver. Forward collision warning system. The radar system constantly monitors the vehicle in front to determine the distance, azimuth and relative speed to the vehicle in front, and warns the driver when there is a potential collision risk. Bosch ESP 9.3 generation system. Equipped with Bosch ESP 9.3 generation system, it realizes forward collision warning, road deviation warning, intelligent high beam control and other functions. GigaAmpere series high-performance engine, taking into account high power and economy, the maximum net power speed of the engine, 100 kW 5,500 revolutions per minute, the maximum net torque speed, 204 Nm 1,600 to 4,200 revolutions per minute. It has the advantages of lightweight, high precision, stable operation, low noise, leading control performance, and brings you a good operating feel and excellent fuel economy. 7-speed wet dual clutch transmission. It has the advantages of lightweight, high precision, stable operation, low noise, leading control performance, and brings you a good operating feel and excellent fuel economy. McPherson independent suspension. The vehicle has excellent handling stability, while also improving ride comfort. subscribe and like our videos. Thank you for watching.